State of Assam. Assam government has decided to ban serving and consumption of beef in restaurants, hotels and public places. Chief Minister and his cabinet has amended the existing laws to incorporate the new provisions. The existing restrictions, what we are learning, will apply only to the areas within 5 kilometers radius of a temple, which Sarma says will now be extended to other areas as well. Have a look.
कि असम में गोमांस कोई भी रेस्टोरेंट और होटल में सर्व नहीं होगा और साथ में कोई पब्लिक फंक्शन में भी या पब्लिक प्लेस में भी ये सर्व नहीं किया जाएगा। सो ये हमने कंप्लीटली होटल, रेस्टोरेंट और पब्लिक प्लेस में बीफ को हमें कंजम्पशन ऑफ बीफ, मांस को खाना हमने आज से बंद करने का निर्णय लिया। पहले हमारा ये निर्णय था कि मंदिर का 5 किलोमीटर तक।
Well, the consumption of beef is not illegal in Assam, but the Assam Cattle Prevention Act of 2021 regulates the transportation and slaughter of all cattle and sale of beef and beef products in the state. Now, with further expansion of the ambit of the curbs, opposition is up in arms against this move. And what we are learning is that the BJP has refuted the claims that have come from the opposition parties. Firstly, listen in to what opposition said on this big move by the Assam government.
मंत्री बिस्वा शर्मा जी से कहेंगे कि स्मगलिंग के बारे में तो आप आसाम में बहुत जानते हो। पूरा जो वहां का जाल है स्मगलिंग का आपको पता है। आपने बैन तो लगा दिया, लेकिन जो एक्सपोर्ट है काऊ बीफ का भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार में, उसको कब रोकोगे? तारीख बता देना।
मुर्गी खाएगा या सब्जी खाएगा, इसको लेके कैबिनेट में डिसीजन लेना मैं समझता हूं इसका ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस मैं नहीं रखता, मैं नहीं देता। अब बीजेपी देखिए कि कैसे मतलब वो है, पार्टी है। गोवा में बीजेपी बीफ बंद नहीं कर सकते। वहां बीजेपी गोवा में बीफ बंद करेंगे तो एक दिन में गिर जाएगी उनकी सरकार। नॉर्थ ईस्ट में हर स्टेट में बीजेपी की सरकार है या मिलीजुली उनकी सहयोगी पार्टी की सरकार है। अरुणाचल बोलिए, मिजोरम बोलिए, नागालैंड बोलिए, मणिपुर है, मेघालय है, हर स्टेट में बीफ वहां के लोग खाते हैं, खिलाते हैं और वहां कोई पाबंदी नहीं, कुछ नहीं है। सब बीजेपी की सरकार है, वहां नहीं कर सकते। तो यहां आसाम में कैटल प्रिजर्वेशन बिल लाके इस तरह कुछ कंडीशन लगाया तो हम उसको ज्यादा ध्यान नहीं देते।
Well, the Bharatiya Janata Party has refuted all the objections. They have said that the restrictions are only meant to be respectful towards a certain community. And if someone in Congress has a problem, they must go to Pakistan. Now, responding in equal measure to the dare extended by the Assam Minister Piyush Harika, Congress says that it will welcome the ban once it is implemented nationwide.
ये बहुत ही एक हिस्टोरिक, निर्णायक, ऐतिहासिक एक सिद्धांत है। आई सपोर्ट द स्टैंड ऑफ द कैबिनेट और आने वाले समय में इसको कम्युनल एक तरीके से न देखे, एक रेस्पेक्ट टू द अदर रिलीजियंस फेथ। अगर कोई खाता है तो भी प्राइवेट अपने हाउस में खा सकता है, उसमें हम किसी को रोक नहीं है।
The Assam government has banned beef in their. I would ask the Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji that why ban only in Assam? They should ban beef throughout the country, and they just want to score a point in doing it in Assam, but they should apply this rule throughout the country. I would welcome it.
Well, crossing over to my colleague Anamika, who joins us live on the broadcast with more details. Anamika, good morning. Assam government has banned consumption of beef in public places, but we are witnessing that politics has started over the entire matter, with Congress saying that the state government should focus on Vikas first. Take us through the details.
Yes, CM Hemanta Biswa Sharma yesterday has announced that state-wise that consumption of beef will be banned, and even the serving of beef in public places, including hotels, restaurants, and public events, it will be also banned. But in the other hand, the opposition party, the Gaurav Gogoi, and even other opposition party also mentioning that this is not meant to be done, and even it's a political agenda of CM Hemanta Biswa Sharma. They are talking about this. But talking about the CM Hemanta Biswa Sharma, he has said that he has decided that beef will not be served in any restaurant or hotel, and it will not be allowed at any public function or public places from today itself. And this is the CM of Assam always have been taking such kind of steps, such kind of decisions always for Assam people. And while the group of the people in Assam also are very happy for this particular step, and in the other hand, some group of people, well, they are mentioning that why such kind of situations, such kind of steps are being only taken in Assam.
Well, absolutely. So the politics has started over the entire matter, with the Congress party saying that BJP must focus on Vikas in the state, while on the other hand, BJP is saying that if Congress has an issue, they should go to Pakistan. Thank you, Anamika, for all the details. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this. With